In the aviation industry, there's happening a lot. We have in Mollis the only and first helicopter construction company. It's the Copter Group. You certainly did interview to them before or afterwards. And this has started a development in the Glarnerland, which has already attracted quite a number of companies which are busy in the field of the helicopter business. So at the moment we talk about 10 or 12 companies which do either education, which do supplying parts, which do gears, for example, and which do also maintenance and operation of helicopters. And since there is still property available in and near Mollis, I think this is a perfect USP for us, a unique selling proposition to attract more companies in the system helicopter to come to us.
In which ways does the Bodensee Aerospace meeting help you to accomplish this?
It's a perfect stage for us to present ourselves. We have a very nice boot corner here found, and it's a very high level audience which we could meet here. And there are also journalists from either newspapers or from the Fachjournalisten from the
specialized journalists from the helicopter area?
Yes, helicopter and aviation as well. So I think it's the perfect stage for us to show ourselves, get connected to even more companies and other stakeholders of the industry, and for also internally to work even closer together internally into our group.
And may I ask, how come Mollis in Glarnerland, in the central heart of Switzerland, is building helicopters? How did that develop?
Well, it's always depending on people. It's a people business, of course. Every decision at the end is taken by a person. And the person who founded the company, he was living near Mollis, and he was having his engineering company near Mollis, and he was looking for an airfield where he could test the helicopters, and he found it in Mollis. So that's how things came together, and at the end now we have an emerging company which gives a lot of energy to the business location.
How many helicopters are built per year in Mollis today?
None so far, because they are still in the certification process. The machine is not certified yet either by the European authority or the American authority. Copter is planning to get the certification by the beginning of 2019. And then the first machines will be produced by mid or by end of 2019, and then the first machines will be sold. As far as we now know, there are 34 machines already ordered by now, so that gives the company quite a lot of a good position in the market to increase the numbers very quickly.
Did I hear of expansion plans already?
Yes, they do have expansion plans, of course. They want to go up to 200 pieces a year. And that means they need a plant, of course, of about 20,000 square meters, and they need about 500 employees, most of them specialists. And that also means it's important to them to play on the labor market as a player to attract the young talents to the company. And it's also important to them to have suppliers near them, and this is also a chance for us to get more companies near to us and make, at the end of the day, make everybody happy.
In which way, when would you be happy?
I will be happy when the first helicopter is in the air, sold, and the plant is built.